Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to cut straight through all that skincare marketing hype to really demystify anti-aging face creams for mature skin. Specifically, we're targeting the highly unique needs of women over 50. So let me just ask you right off the bat, is your anti-aging cream actually wasting your money? Look, it is incredibly frustrating to drop your hard-earned cash on these expensive little jars that just leave your skin feeling dry, irritated, or, well, just plain disappointed. Honestly, we've all been there, staring at a jar on the counter, wondering if it's literally doing anything at all.
All right, here is our roadmap for today. We'll cover 1. The skincare hype. 2. 5 practical buying factors. 3. The top face creams. 4. Before you buy. And finally, 5. The final verdict.
Okay, let's jump right into section 1, the skincare hype. Because let's be real, the skincare aisle is packed with some pretty massive promises, but mature skin, it needs realistic solutions.
Moving on to section 2, 5 practical buying factors. Let's define exactly how you should be shopping for your skin before we even look at a single product.
Now, what's really interesting here is how these 5 factors totally empower you to look past the flashy marketing. You need hydration, think ingredients like glycerin and hyaluronic acid. You absolutely need barrier support to prevent that awful tightness and flaking. Then consider anti-aging actives like retinol, but only if your skin actually tolerates them. Ease of use is huge too. I mean, if it feels greasy or pills up under your makeup, you're just not going to use it. And finally, value for money. Checking these 5 factors ensures you're assessing what your skin genuinely requires, not just what a brand wants to sell you.
Which brings us to section 3, the top face creams. Keep in mind, we're not ranking these from worst to best. Instead, we're matchmaking specific formulas to your specific needs.
First up is our best overall pick, Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream. This is your best balanced middle ground choice for everyday hydration and value. It sits perfectly right between drugstore and premium. But let's anchor our expectations firmly against reality here, okay? It is a fantastic moisturizer, for sure, but it's not a facelift in a jar. It's gonna plump and hydrate, but if you're expecting deep sagging to suddenly just vanish, well, you're looking for a time machine, not a face cream.
So the crucial thing to understand before we look at our next pick is your skin barrier. As you see defined here, it's basically your skin's protective outer layer. Supporting it helps defend against dryness and irritation. If your barrier is compromised, if it's angry and red, hitting it with aggressive anti-aging ingredients is going to do far more harm than good.
And that perfectly tees up our top budget and beginner-friendly pick, CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. It's designed specifically to comfort and support that delicate skin barrier we just talked about, using really gentle, hydrating ingredients.
When we weigh the pros and cons, CeraVe's absolute superpower is its gentle hydration. Those rich ceramides repair dry, sensitive, mature skin, and it doesn't break the bank. However, the flip side, it's not going to aggressively target your deep wrinkles. It acts as a comforting foundation for your skin, rather than an intense, active treatment.
Okay, before our next pick, we absolutely must talk about retinol. It is a highly popular active ingredient that specifically targets fine lines, uneven texture, and dullness. But, and this is a big but, you've got to be careful, it requires a slow introduction. Retinol is a total powerhouse ingredient and it demands respect if you want to avoid some serious irritation.
Which brings us to the RoC Retinol Correxion Max Daily Hydration Cream. This is our top pick for anyone specifically seeking a retinol-based face cream. What makes this one really stand out is how smartly it combines that active retinol with deep, soothing hydration.
Let's break down how this works. The big pro here is that it beautifully balances moisture using hyaluronic acid with the active retinol to make it way more tolerable. But the con is a very necessary warning. Even with that added hydration, if you have sensitive skin, you might still experience flaking or stinging if you don't build up your tolerance. Seriously, start with just 2 or 3 nights a week and go from there. Next up, we have the No7 Restore and Renew Face and Neck Day Cream. This is a highly convenient daytime option. Why? Because it specifically targets both the face and the neck area, which we all know is so often neglected and frequently shows dryness and creasing, all in one simple step.
Now, see that number, 30. SPF 30 is absolutely non-negotiable for daytime defense against sun damage. But the massive downside here, most of us drastically underapply our moisturizers. That means to actually get the full SPF 30 protection, you have to use a lot of it. So if you're going to be out in strong sun, you are probably still going to need a dedicated, separate sunscreen.
Moving over to the night shift, we've got the L'Oréal Paris Age Perfect Cell Renewal Midnight Cream. Specifically, we're talking about the fragrance-free version. This is just a fantastic option for those of us whose mature skin has become highly reactive or sensitive to scents over time.
Contrasting the pros and cons here, L'Oréal offers this incredibly luxurious, soothing, fragrance-free comfort while you sleep. But the trade-off is that it acts much more as a supportive moisturizer than a powerful wrinkle treatment. You just have to keep your expectations realistic. This one is all about comfort and hydration, not an aggressive overhaul.
Finally, if your budget allows for true luxury, we have SkinCeuticals A.G.E Interrupter Advanced. This is the premium, highly targeted choice aimed squarely at addressing collagen decline, visible firmness, and deep wrinkles.
Let's honestly weigh this one out. The pros: you are getting highly advanced, targeted premium ingredients like Proxylane. But the cons? It comes with a very high cost. Plus, I need to remind you that just because you're spending premium money, it doesn't automatically mean your skin won't get irritated. It is a very potent formula, and it's a serious financial investment. All right, Section 4, before you buy. This is the ultimate reality check you absolutely must do before spending a single dime. I want you to run through this pre-purchase checklist every single time you shop. First, check your skin type. Is it dry, oily, sensitive? Next, honestly assess your retinol tolerance. Then, check your daily SPF needs and fragrance sensitivity. Look really closely at the jar size versus the price because you don't want to get tricked by similar-looking packaging. And finally, account for hidden routine costs, like, needing to buy a separate sunscreen if your day cream doesn't have it, or buying a gentle cleanser to manage that retinol irritation.
And that brings us to Section 5, the final verdict. It's time for our rapid-fire matchmaking breakdown. Let's match your specific goal to the right top pick. Choose Olay for an easy everyday balance. Choose CeraVe for gentle barrier repair. Go with Rock if you're ready to carefully introduce retinol. Pick No 7 for daytime face and neck convenience with that SPF. Opt for L'Oréal if you really need a rich cream but absolutely must avoid fragrance at night. And finally, choose SkinCeuticals for targeted, premium care, but only if it comfortably fits your budget. I'm going to leave you with this incredibly important thought directly from our sources. A good moisturizer, daily SPF, and consistent routine matter more than buying the most expensive jar once. So I want to challenge you with this. Does your skincare routine actually need a reality check on consistency rather than just a more expensive cream? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I truly hope this helps you.